Hi everyone, my name is Luisa and I'm a recent graduate from the University of Adelaide and I'm also a science communicator. Today I'm going to be catching up with Masha, who is a current science student, and in true 2020 style, we're going to be having a socially distant chat using technology. So on that note, let's say hello to Masha.
Hey Masha, thank you so much for joining me today.
No worries, Luisa. Thank you so much for having me.
So to start, can you tell me a little bit about what you're currently studying?
So I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Science with a major in Genetics and Ecology, as well as a Bachelor of Education.
That sounds like a really interesting double degree. I know a little bit about genetics, but what actually is ecology?
Yeah, so ecology is more of an environmental science. It focuses on living organisms, how they interact with one another, as well as how they interact with their environments. And I guess as well, kind of how humans fit into that picture as well.
Awesome, thank you for clearing that up. So as a part of studying ecology, have you had the opportunity to undertake any field work?
Yeah, so for one of my subjects, actually, we went up to Fran's farm, which is in Monado, for a few days, and we did a lot of sampling there. We looked at the vegetation that was there and the wildlife, and the data that we actually collected is going to be used in a long-term study to monitor the revegetation.
That is so cool that it's going to be used in a long-term study. So while I was at university, I had the opportunity to do a study tour in India. Have you had the opportunity to study abroad as a part of your degree?
Yeah, so last year, actually, for a semester, I was very fortunate to be able to go to Lund University in Sweden. And I was actually able to do master subjects in molecular ecology and molecular genetics, which were very interesting. And I was really able to build on the knowledge that I've learnt here at Adelaide in my undergrad.
That is so great that you had that opportunity. So I guess my final question for you today is, what do you hope to do in the future once you've finished your double degree?
Yeah, so there's still a lot of options to consider and a lot of roads that I could possibly go down. I'm really considering doing honours in science, but I know that a long-term goal of mine is to definitely go into rural areas in Australia and teach STEM to Indigenous communities. That's something that I'm very passionate and I'm really dedicated to achieving.
That's a fantastic long-term goal, and I definitely agree with that. So thank you, Masha. And if you'd like to learn more about Masha's degree, head to the University of Adelaide's website and in Degree Finder, search science.